Mayuri Deshmukh, your coach for fitness, wellness, and health. Today, we're talking about something called pre-diabetes. Now, you'll be asking me, why have you chosen this topic, Mayuri? Because this is something that usually elderly people have, people who are sedentary, people who are not taking care of themselves. Well, let me tell you that the age group where pre-diabetes starts occurring is literally between 25 to like 45. And the main reason for me coming here to talk about this is because maximum number of people coming in gyms complaining about different symptoms that are happening to their bodies are coming in with pre-diabetes. So some of you know what this is, but most of you are ignorant or are not really caring enough about it. जब भी आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं खुद के बॉडी के साथ, या आप एक जनरल ब्लड टेस्ट करने के लिए जा रहे हो और आपको ऐसे बताया जाता है कि प्री डायबिटीज़ है, आप प्री डायबिटिक हो, सो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ योर लाइफस्टाइल, आपके डाइट के ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए। आपको इमीडिएटली मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत तो है नहीं, आपको डॉक्टर से बताएंगे, मगर अगर आप इसका कुछ करेंगे नहीं तो बाद में आपको मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत हो सकती है। So that is when these people come into the gym and they try to do something about themselves. We're going to understand what pre-diabetes is, why you should know about it. There are many different reasons why you should know about it. We'll dig into all of them, and we will also know how to take action on these problems that you're facing. So I'll give you a quick definition of what pre-diabetes is. A condition in which blood sugar is high but not high enough to be type 2 diabetes. Without intervention, it's likely to become type 2 diabetes within 10 years. उसमें भी अगर आप कुछ करेंगे नहीं तो obviously you're going to get it. And let's see what the treatment is. So treatment is self-care, lifestyle modification to control the progress of the disease. ये कहने के लिए बहुत आसान है, करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल. Let me give you a quick disclaimer before proceeding ahead. I am not a medical practitioner and this video should not be taken as medical advice. So, first of all, pre-diabetes. अगर आपकी blood sugar normal से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा elevated है, मगर इतनी भी elevated नहीं है कि आप diabetic हो, तो आपको पहले क्या करना चाहिए? The first thing is getting a glucose checking monitor. Keep checking your glucose at least 2-3 times a week to make sure that it is not elevating more than the normal levels. Majority of the people are actually just eating excess of carbohydrates, just eating too much of the sugary stuff. So आपके food habits जो है, sugary drinks, you need to eliminate those right away. Next thing is people think that fruit sugars are good for you, or honey or dates. All these sugars are going to add to the blood sugar, so you cannot actually rely on them for the sweetness that you're looking for. You need to get rid of them. Number 2 is your movement habits. You need to improve on your NEAT. Have you heard of this before? NEAT is NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. मतलब इसमें आप डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़ करके आपके बॉडी का एक्सपेंडिचर, एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर बढ़ा रहे हो. सो नॉट नेसेसरी एक्सरसाइज ही कर रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज टाइम इज़ गोइंग टू बी डेडिकेटेड, राइट? आप 30 मिनट 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज करोगे, मगर ड्यूरिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे बाकी आपकी जो अवेकनिंग टाइम है, जब आप सो नहीं रहे हो, तभी आपको थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Next thing we're going to talk about is how this elevated blood glucose is going to damage the internal systems of your body. So सारे जो आपके organs हैं जिन्हें blood sugar की ज़रूरत रहती है, so there's a minimal value in your body of glucose which is required. So that is obviously required for survival. उससे ऊपर जब आपका ग्लूकोज बढ़ा हुआ रहेगा तो वो बाकी प्रोसेसेस में दिक्कत देगा, राइट? फ्रॉम योर हार्ट टू योर लिवर, योर पैनक्रियाज, द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ योर किडनीज, इवन योर विजन. आपको ब्लरी विजन दिखना शुरू हो सकता है, आपके फिंगर्स में थोड़ा सा नमनेस हो सकता है. बहुत लोगों को इनमें से कोई भी सिम्टम्स नहीं रहते, दे आर जस्ट अ लिटिल ओवरवेट, या दे आर जस्ट फीलिंग टायर्ड एंड फटीग ड्यूरिंग द डे, कि एक ही कंप्लेन है कि मुझे और एनर्जी चाहिए. सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी अ सिम्टम ऑफ प्री डायबिटीज़, कि आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको प्री डायबिटिक हो. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी स्कैरी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कम टू द part which is even scarier and which is mainly for new mothers, and you are in that pre-diabetes phase, then you have to be really careful about your diet, about your lifestyle. Since my father is an MD medicine gynecologist, I had a conversation with him recently. So while talking to him, I got to know a lot about what happens due to the fetus when the mom is pregnant and she is pre-diabetic. So listen to me carefully here. अगर आपके मदर की ब्लड शुगर बढ़ी हुई है तो ये जो ब्लड ग्लूकोज है वो आपके बेबी के ब्लड में भी सर्कुलेट होता है. सो योर बेबीज ब्लड शुगर इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू रिमेन एलिवेटेड. अभी ये जो बढ़ा हुआ ग्लूकोज है इसे यूटिलाइज करने के लिए बॉडी इंसुलिन का प्रोडक्शन और बढ़ाएगी. सो आपके एक ऑर्गन्स हैं पैनक्रियाज जो इंसुलिन बनाएंगे और इसकी नॉर्मल वैल्यू जो है वो बढ़ेगी इस ग्लूकोज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. अभी ग्लूकोज जो है, जो मम्मा का ग्लूकोज है वो बेबी के लिए यूटिलाइज हो रहा है, बट मम्मा का जो इंसुलिन है वो बेबी तक नहीं पहुंच पाता. सो द बेबी हैज़ टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स ओन इंसुलिन इन एक्सेस इवन व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट टेकन बर्थ येट. सो इसमें प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होते हैं? सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स ऑफ माई डैड. द बेबी एक्चुअली इंक्रीजेज इन साइज. इट इज़ अ बिगर बेबी दैन अ नॉर्मल साइज्ड बेबी. सो प्रेगनेंसी में दिक्कत होती है. उसके बाद आफ्टर द बेबी इज़ बॉर्न ही इज़ मोर ससेप्टेबल टू गेटिंग टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ अर्ली इन लाइफ. तो आप उसे वो रिस्क दे रहे हो just by being unhealthy yourself. It is a very hard thing to digest if you are in that stage, but you need to know this and you need to take action on this. क्योंकि टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ नहीं, अगर उनके पैनक्रियाज बहुत एक्सेसिवली काम कर रहे हैं और एग्जॉस्ट हो रहे हैं तो they can also develop type 1 diabetes, that the child later on in his life may not be able to produce insulin at all and he may be dependable on injectable insulin for the rest of his life. So if this is not enough for you to take any action, then I really don't know what is, now that you know and now that you're aware of how your health is so important. Let's talk about our game plan. Are you slightly overweight? आपको body fat ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है और थोड़ा सा uncontrollably बढ़ रहा है कि आपका पहले weight maintain होता था at whatever your maintenance weight is. For example, it's 60 kgs. So you were at maintenance at 60 kgs for a couple of years, but now you've gained 1 kg and then another kg. और ऐसे 8-10 साल में आपने बहुत weight put on कर लिया है. तो that is a sign of insulin resistance, कि आपके जो cells है, आपके cells glucose का uptake अच्छे से नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So there are receptors on your cell, कि ग्लूकोज को अंदर बाहर करने के लिए जो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं वो थोड़े से इनसेंसिटिव हो जाते हैं. इसकी वजह से ग्लूकोज जो आ रहा है खाने में से वो आपकी बॉडी अच्छे से यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रही है. सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इट इज़ जस्ट गेटिंग डिपॉजिटेड एज बॉडी फैट एंड यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग हंग्रियर बाय द डे. आपका एपेटाइट बढ़ता जा रहा है बिकॉज दिस ग्लूकोज विच इज़ देयर इज़ नॉट बीइंग यूटिलाइज्ड. सो व्हाट इज़ द सोल्यूशन टू दिस? The simplest solution is exercise. जब भी आप exercise start करोगे, whether it is cardiovascular exercise, whether it is strength training, it is going to start utilizing that excess glucose right away. So this is the instant or the fastest solutions that you can think of. Fast, not meaning in a day, but within a week, and when you add up those weeks, it will actually start showing up on your body, right? So exercise in any form is going to help you. So we talked a lot about how this is affecting the women and why they need to take care of their health overall. But for men, it is just as important. Your testosterone levels start getting affected because of this excess glucose that is coming in. सो ओवरवेट होना ऑब्वियसली किसी को पसंद नहीं है, मगर इससे हेल्थ इश्यूज जो होते हैं, यू बिकम इनफर्टाइल, यू बिकम लेस एक्टिव, you start feeling more lethargic, and these factors all in all are going to start piling up, right? So exercise is beneficial for both these cases. Whether you're a man, whether you're a woman, it really doesn't matter. The main point that you need to take from this is start moving. The second point in our plan is going to be food, nutritious food. जितने भी चीज़ें आप मार्केट में से ख़रीद रहे हो, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ एडेड चीज़ें ऐसी आ रही हैं जो आपके लाइफस्टाइल को बिगाड़ रही है. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स में कुकिंग कर रहे हो और साइमल्टेनियसली अच्छे फैट्स खाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, ओमेगा 3 फैट्स, you're adding heat in your diet, in your rice or whatever you're having, but at the same time you're cooking with vegetable oils, so that is not helping you at all. So all these processed items, अगर आप आपके लेबल्स पढ़ेंगे, इंग्रेडिएंट्स पढ़ेंगे, तो आपको समझ आएगा कि बहुत सारे एडेड शुगर्स, एडेड सॉल्ट्स, एडेड वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स, these are harming your cells internally. These are directly affecting you negatively, and thus आपका प्री डायबिटीज़ की जो स्टेज है वो धीरे धीरे पास आ रही है. This is all because of the kind of food selections that we have. So it is very easy to say that just go to the market, buy some veggies, buy some meat, buy some fish, buy some eggs, find a way to cook them and have them every day, as simple as that, right? मगर हमारे social situations इतने food पर dependent हो गए हैं कि हम इन चीज़ों के बारे में इतना easily इन्हें manage नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Just buying raw foods and creating your own recipes from it has become redundant, almost non-existent, unless and until आपकी mom या dad, I don't know whose dad does it, but majority of your mothers are cooking for you. If that is the case, then maybe to some extent you are not eating processed food, but even in that case you're still socializing, you're still negating the effects of the home cooked food because of your bad habits outside. So it's not really going to help. बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि हम जितना खर्चा करेंगे on different creams and different things that you can apply externally on your body that are going to help you, अगर आप उन चीज़ों पे खर्चा करोगे तो आप self care कर रहे हो. That is not necessarily true. In particular, buying those expensive soaps with a lot of things in them, different creams, you're applying sunscreens, you're applying different things for your lips, you're getting different treatments in the parlors just to get a glow on your skin or to feel that you're doing something about it. But not necessarily. You just have to really look at what you're putting inside your body, because that is ultimately going to show up. And the exercise that you do, which is going to glow up your skin. So the solutions take a little work, but these are the things that actually work for you. So अभी हमने जिन जिन चीज़ों के बारे में बात की, the number one thing that you need to do is take out the time for yourself. At least 30 minutes to 1 hour to get in a good exercise session. Focus on strength training, improve your muscle mass. आपका ग्लूकोज अपटेक मसल्स की वजह से बढ़ेगा. आपकी स्ट्रेंथ जब बढ़ेगी तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ेगा. And in order to support this lifestyle, you start looking in at the foods that you're eating. Start doing your own food shopping. Start understanding what ingredients your body is reacting to positively. Start looking at how your gut is functioning. Is your digestion good? Are you happy with your digestion? Are you happy with the way that you're hydrating yourself? These are the little things which are going to add up, and you have to do these every single day. So you need to take charge of these things if you want to see some positive changes coming out of this. Otherwise, this is just talk. This is just empty words coming to know real world solutions. So this is all that I want to bring you, so that you are able to actually work on these things. Take action, do something about this today. If you need any help, go to the nearest trainer that you have, nutritionist that you have, or anyone who is already into a very positive lifestyle. So they can give you a lot of tips as well. You don't have to do everything on your own. You can take help whenever you need it. People like me, people who are not just myself, but any coach who is going to guide you to improving your lifestyle is the person that you want to talk to. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, share this video and leave your comments. Thanks for watching. हम फिट तो इंडिया फिट.